Hi everyone, welcome back. Market Analytics. You're joining me right now in a very special moment as far as our bearish position with the Euro Australian dollar goes. We're breaking in some really nice negative momentum, and price is closing in on our target. Right, we got a massive profit taking spot here at 61.27. And guys, you look, if you notice a lot of coloration at this area, that's because we have a number of trades we've been building up ever since we got in. Well, actually, ever since price began to drop from the touchdown on 64.07, later on began to break 62.48, and we were here all along, right? The fact of the matter was that we actually dragging a short position ever since September. So we're still here. Actually, last time we were here, I declared this to be possibly the great comeback. I was looking at price kind of piercing that 64.07, failing, coming back down, right, bouncing back down, crossing back below 63.55. That was a big one, and beginning to reverse. Now we're about to land at 61.27. That's not going to be the end of the way for us. It's not going to be the end of the road. We are going to use this level here to take about 80% of the position out. All right, we're going to stay with a small size position going forward because we think price is not going to be satisfied with 61.27. We think it's going to drill lower. However, there might be a bit of an upside correction. Actually, we could have a significant correction, which could take us back to the higher section, possibly checking on 62.48, this time from below, right, before turning back down again. Don't forget, as long as we're trading within this blue system, price is more likely to continue to trade sideways. So we think price is going to make it below 61.27, and we'll take the previous low, and only then there's a possibility it will turn around. It will turn back up and head towards the upper section. Right now, this is from the short-term perspective. I was describing here the potential scenarios coming from the short-term cycle. I want to show you, and that's because obviously we have an imminent target at 61.27, which is about to get hit, right? But let me show you the big picture. It's as interesting, if not more, because here we connect to the long-term cycle, and this is very bearish. This is a very bearish setup you're looking at. I mean, if we take a look at the long-term perspective, then we can see potential, guys, going first to 59.75. That could actually take, just a few days, maybe a couple of weeks. Later on, that's going to be the big one. That's going to be the big move is everything from pretty much 59.75 to 54.91, right? That's a 500 pip of a big move. We think the Euro Aussie can cover that distance going into the 2020, sorry. So it should be interesting to follow up on this one from the long-term perspective, but we'll take it a step at a time, right? For now, guys, we definitely want to see what type of reaction we're gonna have with when we touch base on 61.27, and then of course we'll come back and take it from there. Even though we've adjusted the stop loss level just recently by 60 pip from 64 to 63.40, we're gonna do another adjustment by another 50 pip, and we're gonna place our stop loss level now at 62.90. All right, 62.90. Okay, that's about that. Euro versus the Aussie looking very good on the downside. We'll have to come back and follow up. That's about that for this one. We'll see you on the next.